My people, wahala no dey finish indeed. Make children wey we born or we give birth to, make them no carry us enter shock. Oh yes, make no carry us put we for situation where we, our generations to come and our descendants all together no go fit pay this kind debt. My people, this na matter for that 9-year-old girl wey e born priest Ebeano supermarket in Abuja. But before we want to talk about her, you're welcome to this YouTube channel K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you stop for this channel or you come across this video, please enter with your popcorn and grab a seat. Of course, do me a favor by clicking on the red subscribe button and turning on your post notification. And if you've done so, may God bless you as you support me. So my beautiful people, make we no waste time and make we dive inside the matter. This supermarket where una dey see, so my beautiful people, the goods wey take dey inside is worth 5 billions. I mean billions, my people, and it don't burn to ashes. Like they cannot recover anything. All these goods una dey see, so una fit imagine the worth na 5 billion. It don't be burned down by a 9-year-old girl. My people, this one na wahala. Now the reason wey for the start of the video I can't talk say make God no gree make we give birth to children wey go come actually carry us put for debt wey our generations to come, and yet our descendants wey don't pass on they no go fit help us pay the debts, because the way things dey now, we don't know what to say. According to wetin people they talk, it's like this act so na plan act. Yes, say it's like they can send that 9-year-old pikin make she go do wetin she take do. A lot of people say no, na still child she be. Now this curiosity and rough play where children they play, now it lead them to the situation where we take the insight. But my people, when I see the video, because me get the video for here, the CCTV footage where this girl comes specifically for that place where lighters they specifically, and she had just one mission than to lit a fire at that particular spot, my people. After that, she did not continue in checking anything. She did not continue in going to any other place, but returned back to where her mother was. My people, the matter just get as they do for people head. Like, why did she specifically go just to that place and immediately lighten the fire? She left instantly, and even while leaving, she still turned looking at if actually she had succeeded in her mission. That's the question where they put a lot of people like, what is happening? If truly this is a planned act, now be say no fine, my people. Me get the video for you. I go leave una, make una watch and make una listen, make una see how this girl specifically come for that place. Come lit the fire before take go, and if they take the monitor, if everything come the worker as planned. But again, it can still be only but a child's play now, my people. Anyways, make me not talk much. I go leave una for you, make una watch the video by una self. Make una write for comment section what una think about this video. I go see una for my next video. But before then, please, if you didn't never subscribe, please do also click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. I will see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
So this is the spot where the fire incident started in the store, and then if you look at the time on the screen, it's 7 o'clock dot, and we'll observe the girl. She's coming now. You can see she's just walking confidently on her own. And then it's worthy to note at this point that throughout the time she entered the store at this day, she did not come here for once before now. So she's coming here for the first time today now. And we can see how she picked the lighter. She knew exactly where everything is or was at this time. So she picked the lighter. We can see she's lighting back up now. Somebody was passing, she pretended as if nothing was happening, and when she was done, she replaced the lighter back and was going back. You can see her looking back to see what she has done. So the fire is just starting up, so it cannot be easily noted or identified by passerby or anybody. And we can see the lady at the far end The girl is watching, she's observing what she has done, if it has lighted up or not. If you look closely, you see her moving away. So the fire is increasing gradually. So because it's been set up on packs of lighters to be easier for it to explode. Okay, so you can see staffs moving around. Could not be able to identify it at this point because it's just beginning. So the fire is increasing now, and then if you notice, the lighters are now exploding. So we can see the flame is catching up, it's spreading. Okay, so a staff has seen the incident and he has run to get a fire extinguisher. So the time at this point, it's 7:33, roughly 30 minutes after the fire incident. The fire is still going on as we are speaking. And then if you observe, firefighters are on their way trying to enter the store. But I would like us to look closely at the screen towards the center. You will notice the three ladies that came in together and one of them lit the fire. They are together now, you can see them. And I would like you to observe this one behind, the smile she is having presently. And then she's going to come back again, so you can observe better. So just watch the screen. So just watch the screen so you can see her again and observe her face closely. Just observe her face.
That's what you do. This one, 9-year-old, born a boost of 5 billion naira. How do you start paying? The law will not allow you to detain her. You can't detain.
The one I took you there. Hey,
She will go.
who took you to that place? I said, who took you there?
Your mother.
Your mother is the one that coached you. Because, hello, I will give you a very dirty slap. I'm asking you a direct question, and you're trying, you as well as you are, you're trying to twist the question for me. Who took you to that place? Huh? And then, why did your mom allow you to follow her to that place? On what premise, on what purpose?